I weekend in here na me say many kobo krata bi so ho baby the krata no many boss one am say na krata ya me mahunu yi de te say me name say krata no so ko hu ya say yepono kase yi de ya say amanyokuo bi say yepono kase hu de wo ma ho biem
sa krata no say me so sa kan no na me so me na me ni age say press before onyumbi o se dia tetefo hwehwe de omunyina ni ginaye no de omunyina epeye no mani ginaye no enna anya abai entina minim se krata na ye no kre entina me so ene mani gie no omo prepare mani se madi ka aka se me de da mani beje pa ye da NPP fo be yi on abo Kennedy entiminya hu krata so se na se NPP for cross some obia cross so man FM in Ken City platforms to be now I said come on prepare me but unfortunately for them and I can say fortunately for them me kobisa o baby open pa bako and I me forward the man and I say mini I feel when you pumakwam honestly we fake na NDC for na yes
na eba ne send NDC for na
wa send NDC for na obo person omo de confusion to MPP no na abo Ken intem
sa
ano me na say oh sa NDC for na yes on na da wo mo de ba na be ba ho ka said Ken must go so omunim wo so omunim wo party no
omunim sankofo
wa say boys na de ba ho say Ken must go no omunya MPP for
boy Dr. Bawumia ni mo
oh David omo so omunya MPP for
Dr. Bawumia ni
say
isi mo maye mfa no credit
omo say ayi Afriyie mu no ko high boys no enti just o ma ko high on but some boys na ngasa de omunya MPP for enti asenkofo no nka opeso mu use yo am say enti no wo si ni pay aka kire me say wo ka omo peso wo pam no aboka o si da bi da ono no aboka be fi party mu na party no ani suade hu omo wo so be sa baba mu no na asate akofo be 40% enti no ono pa de ont na party no mu de bia da enka say ono aboka yempam no fi MPP mu enti ono de nko benya anka da bia no na nka ono aboka ne nkoso anya MPP ni na nka ono de nko be koso nso asom ono aboka nsa ana me se ene se yete ya hwe mo call meeting na mo koma mo 2 weeks 2 weeks no enne eye the 13th day ochina ka ho a eye 40 ochina na 2 weeks na
2 weeks na so
nti no ye hwe 2 weeks na nim say after 2 weeks no what next whether the Akwata led committee no dom report beba said nkofo bi aka se be pam ono aboka na me na fi party no yen hwe so ochina no 2 weeks in this one
okay
yen hwe be so swan
the body
hono
you can do whatever. There's a meeting or there has been a meeting say anytime I see ni pay ebeba bia no one of the executives within the New Patriotic Party national executives between the New Patriotic Party no so eye bibia ebema na our life at that time but you see obi aye na juma we are never afraid of a competition. In fact, no crana ema the best we muno etimi ba abonten me say ma yemusa ye won say politician ben na wo Ghana ha obetimi a reject $4 million. Politician ben and wo Ghana ha obetimi a reject $4 million. Share the corny fear say papa and away ye say also your person the way e ma no you say he nia me kwaje ba ya no me kwaje ba wa Ghana enya me personal interest mun free me fear hanko empanifo opamo wo me se nkokọ eno mu dimrika dwane ya wo koye. These people are not disciplined enough.
Sir Honorable Ken 16th of last month and we are 66 years.
Okay.
Inti what's 24 years if you need February. I just said active years now as Obebuno. but the best serve Ghana
as member of parliament.
Yes. What I say? Because what 24 years, nearly 66 more. It's about 44 years.
Yeah.
The vice don't know can bear 40 years. And obedi MP. And the engineer say Abrabon life begins at 40.
Yeah.
It is at 40 years now, and you have more than power ne woni money ne said the no bossino. You see that years now to serve Ghana. There's nothing in politics. Honorable Ken Ohunye. Isn't an answer I'm share later they say in Tia Maje ye politics aboss ne ye NPP abosswa. Yana mizam zena ede na mpesa botsere Honorable Ken. Time na ye here resources. Ye here member. Ye here adventure. Ye trase. Ye plan operations upon operations. Open region pa. No oma abedane ama MPP na omo pe MPP asempa na central region. Central region the year 2000 2004 na 16 seats na MPP ekitamu 8. At that time Honorable Kennedy campaign chairman for central region. In fact 2004 16 regions no MPP benyamu 16 19 constituencies are now central region. MPP be winning 16 seats. And a Papa Kwasindum at that time KE because of his affiliation with President Akufo MPP partner President Akufo minister on Abemunti. KE Krano commended in a guava brain MPP and contested.
Yeah.
And almost had this seat in put chair CPP for. And the car 2 constituencies per in the whole central region. And NDC for guitar. If my memory serves me right, na a year Infantiman was Infantiman East. And baby a pineapple factory was a Kunfi. It's a Kuntu Blanksy.
Yeah.
Those are the only 2 seats are not NDC. MC Kitom. What I say? But as we speak, central region, MPP for I am more bododo. All because of meaning. Anyhow, an uncle for Mfa Honorable Ken advice or the more munyeju. They say advice be Honorable Ken the upper. Sometimes one now dream now finding in other to tunsi and say near. I was Honorable Ken. I said, "Oh no, I did chin of once. I did chin Mubiana."
Oh, but Kai said, Honorable Ken Agyapong. Ewo omanpenida da John Lekum for epe. Edru baby na fu ono. You better best obiani atum. You better best obiani atum. Honorable Ken Agyapong etisi and the party mano and the boy and he said no Debbie said they are here 2 mono ebe ha Ghana way back those days so ebe ha Ghana and now we say Argentina say on the party no ADC and this I say look me wo a form na me tie form for na me said the course no a have form for no a basa we are going to lose power.
Mr. Honorable Ken will be apart from the inherent qualities that are media born and they said the otchere own to me and condones wrongdoing. The man is highly exposed to the rest of the world and he knows what time it is. He knows where the areas are good. And he said, "Oh, who said you must say Koswa?" And who said, "Yeah, market time." And that time no day.
Time no day.
What I say? Yen to me try and error, sir. Because this is the manner. Anything he says, it is not for his personal interest.
Yes.
He says, Mr. Nkum, the real Honorable Kent here. Also, the personal interest air to line. Now, call the politics. The show saying, Konyan said, Net2 Parliament or TV. And he will still be there. He will still be dining and whining with some people. Omono any Ghana, Eden. Edo makuma swa omo no ahin ya binya film omo din ko mani nyina awia do be sounds ahe na mi nya film
yeah
ahe na mi nya film ahe na mi nya film na o misa na ho say edin na Ghana enya film and those are the people Mr. Nkum omo asin kete say omo abo Kennedy Agyapong omo man haban po no atiawe but adia ba ko aye me den say asase etisu nana enyame asase
enyame dia
e na de enyame aka no nipa untumi nya ho hwe ebi ebeche but one day and sakraye beba ama nipa hu say ye kasa politicians are the same one day Honorable Ken Ofori Agyapong tino sa kasa no ebesesa
ewo Ghana.
I'm telling you, some people will say no, politicians are not the same.
Because talking about member of parliament and in the impact, Honorable Ken just as member of parliament, meaning the business partners, almost say no. Ghana, you rely only on Akoso Mumwa. There be Muma Yenano Yemfa Yehunjim, our mutimi lobby business people. And investors no buy CMC bui down. Oh, bui down. You start here na said yet na. There was the nasa said bui down no. Enya even estate in the county. Until say NDC for buyer. Ombesa plan no. They yi nyama be ready for mu. But sikana yen konko famra no. Member of parliament. Eni nkofa kabum. Etimi akofa di abase. Yen famra yema Ghana.
This is the man Honorable Ken Ofori Agyapong.
Sino hydro.
Mzengum. Se otnas din now show Honorable Ken Agyapong. Not really usu be follow na. You cannot hit him. Okay, say na say ya na menumi enu te he din komo. Ana Honorable Ken Ofori Agyapong. Eba e say o ya ka say mi on enya adwen.
That's it.
Na President John Dramani Mahama can indiscipline asem say flood na esisi no and discipline am Honorable Ken be share mu kana say ye nyina yemfa ya hoodin if it is indiscipline pa there yemfa ya hoodin nyina mboa President Mahama na intimi into indiscipline ase because Honorable Ken ni PhD philosophy no indiscipline ye key ewo mo say say yetimi clear ye system no of indiscipline. Yeah, discipline. It's got PhD in the last deal. Discipline. Say, we be patriotic. Now we honest. Now say discipline. Say ma we ingredient. Remember papia. Say ultimi carry. Netimi boa ema bibia aye kama. Say we share President Mahama. Dance you to ya offer helicopter. The name we mu. I feel see from. Sa video no me de ma papa mo. In the course of the video obebo. Number 2 no netie. Afraid they also checking your money in area and obviously from there's an engineering problem.
First video, no, I say there's no engineering problem.
No, there's no engineering problem. The problem is indiscipline. Afraid on the helicopter and the combine see from no. I see we have surveyed, we have checked the thing, and it is an engineering problem. It is like moving from John Dramani Mahama in Self-Kekano. We say Honorable Ken has always been the person say Adiano Fagana Hunkwade. Just draw his attention and he will give you his maximum support. Because Oyobia said that Debbie Ananakan we did 24 years in parliament. You can't Fourth Republic here. And yet this is the ninth parliament. In fact, the parliament a mummy and sampen are now on count.
Yeah.
The first 2 and this one. Enti e bagana mamodia Mr. Nkum. Obia ni who obetumi aka say Honorable Ken Agyapong. Eye oblivious of Enema Ghana ekom. Enema Ghana ekom nyina no he has first-hand information, though he hasn't been a president before. But with the parliamentary experience, and on one kasa as a businessman, and the Honorable Ken engagement with the ordinary Ghanaian, I am yet to see a politician, any contemporary politician, or Becca said the ordinary person, a ban na so ni din komo che Honorable Ken Agyapong. And a papa no baby a free ban. Ya wona ntu sie so. Odamnam of fuba sie ni so. Enti omo amnam no onim omasetenam omo a ofura wuhie omo no onim se de omo te ana omo te so ho so onim omo enti owo vast experience ewo Ghana ni ene Ghana amanyosem ne Ghana need the tibia mutie enti Honorable Ken Agyapong hu se Ghana yi se e sha ase afi the Fourth Republic 92 besi ene se ebe oman no betumi ayeye pa dia one key thing as I say here is one, we have to manufacture the things that we use in this country ourselves. We don't have to import any amount, especially your consumables. Who can Honorable Ken? Yeah, campaign na all rounds. Na any more otchere. And go for my package kukunte. Oma package Hausa koko, oma package tea, sobolo tea, and in your man and Kofoye Ghana. But ya dwina kwa ye Ghana for, but ye taste near Bibiano, ye develop foreign taste for a lot of foreign products. But the bia complain say $1 who say $1 who say no. Ten bia be say $1 cost no. Na nya $1 na ye first ye hwehwe bi ni we fie dia bibia. Na mom no obi kwa akoto bibi obi ba so nti $1. Apart from that, msenkum ye Ghana economy no ye nhye dan you see dollar and find the business bibiri okom ha. Enti dollar ne ho kyere na kyese nkofo dodo na e kra ne ma fi amanfo ama so de abegua. And Honorable Ken catch you say, Sat you know kita tuna flakes be. Sa chunks no, it can be done here. Ye body our can once me. Na Honorable Ken kita fugu.
Yes.
Tresa ahuma na ye fugu no. Ye den ye manufacture wa.
Asa ahuma ye bi ne ye de ye koko bottle no. Ke beti ama.
Dan ya na wofa. Yohane Dramani Mahama. Ebe ka se wuko da bia yense fugu ene ete yenke se fugu
yeah
but obeka na kwa okane tra into ono angasa ne krom sirem fo krom ye fugu no mo nse ana enti na mekwa so meja sa Wednesday bi nse fugu ni bi yes because ka fugu no be here anka the economy ebe bo an paye northern the 5 northern regions because that is their native way. But John Dramani Mahama beka and crown one share kwan omom fast yo fugu no ometimi mpa promote fugu no ene hawa you betimi produce at a cheaper cost for the ordinary Ghanaian to be able to buy fugu
because they say fugu na ye keke kansa no ne bonda for
Mr. Nku
which ahoma ye di ye nyina ye kokrafia
no na na boy because ene the average fugu crowd betimi ato 500 600 if you say one go 600 is okoto fugu
wobra o salary no kra na ntimi nte 2
that's the point. What you say? Na yire kaba kra ntimi nto bi ma ono angasa no ma shirt won shebi na fugu no we share how many days. What you say? Enti Honorable Ken no eti amnamu kra na ye food bia de ohun ye hu and a lot of politicians nso hu de ohun ni bi but omo ye hypocrites
nyatwom.
Yes. Because Honorable Ken Agyapong no wakwa no se mi hu America eninti the problem ba ko pa owo e wo Ghana politics and on one kasa party NPP ni say he cannot condone wrongdoing. He cannot condone wrongdoing and no so aba the problem challenge ama because nkofo no monam no majority of them enye honest enti owo mpesa obeye blunt aka no kre achiro because ebesi diana Honorable Ken Ofori Agyapong po na nko kan bibi say Ghana first yen criticize NDC yen criticize NPP for the sake of Ghana.
Looking at baby our shasi free ne baby our baby free even talking about Dr. Osajefo
Nkrumah yes
ne pen so kra na se be beka se Bajimi bre no kra no that time no we enema hodo na opeso ye industrialization agenda na ba kwa na dikai pa no state import substitution etina chese se ye de ye ho beto amano ne niam so se de a wo shase way back way back it is for Ken Agyapong to bring back that into even our thinking tells you the kind of baby or person the Ghana no.
Mr. Talking about Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. That no me catch madam for be say Bible mu quotation I can say okwadefo konteti anchen hwe na kwan yesu anyansa. Me na motorway ni so omu tutu motorway no. Ana me catch say aban mu mpanimfo mun ko motorway no so na mun ko hwese de Kwame Nkrumah ye motorway no na mun fa nsu anyansa. Motorway ada ho for over 60 years ni senkum. Contractor no ko woswa o ye motorway no omo breaki concrete no motorway no so
no more break.
Utumi say
60 years concrete.
Na even concrete das here any iron what mesh how ye guase no be say say aden emre ko nanim na Ghana say nim dia ko nanim. This cannot happen under the watch of Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Honorable Kennedy Agyapong sorry no oka ensemo ayana nkrofo feel say okasa dodo. But Honorable Ken the bia me catch us say ade ba ko a holding it down ade ba ko ama so oda so stay relevant in Ghana politics e no credie na me say Honorable Ken say onko so anye sa eni no kre because Honorable Ken MBA na no nka asemo a no kre eni. Yes, you may not like the way I obeka no eno eye style no ana me so meti ha mi sankum okura no woni masana me ba beka enti the men so beka no you have little control over it.
Yeah.
Enti nyame boy no said obi aka na sem no e different. But we be say say eya na imports and I say esempo anything po e was asem no e da ni patia na. Honorable Ken kasa omo mutie no eya nkrofo a omo wo that patriotism spirit in them.
Omo Ghana ye die
no Ghana ye die no eda wakuma so a Honorable Ken kasa ejiji wakuma mu dedede wasum yo dedede you feel say this is the way to go. But say wo na wayo ho say wo no politics ana odi ba be ye we can be NPP penny ba kwa enkofo bi akosra na me pese me bo ne din for now ono mu din komo ofie ana ye de NPP na aboa ye pa said the NPP na me aye say na me say anti na baka hoyi because mo no say without a political party no mun to me and survive as people. And all the time we be hiding behind a political party to dupe the nation. We Ghana completely. And to say yin na msenkum Honorable Ken ninsema wo kan ye from 2007 time no can even mineral exploration and perform agreement ye ne foreigners ni ye am be extract ye minerals fi adeko. Now share what Ghana is getting and what they are getting now. No be say nkema gold ni she wan kan she ho
na nka ye dey
ye ma oil ni gu wan kan gu ho because at the end of the day no oba say wasase oba risk system no enso be no what poison no at the end of the day no ye benyane is so insignificant that say one fa makran ke be survive because sometimes it
doesn't make even any changes in our lives.
You say oil in your Ghana. You beside your share your economy no without the oil and your share economy with oil
changes in a way.
Now ko share areas ye to sa oil no ne how wa ma system mputi no bisa sa how. Say a happen to oil dan ko for it say. Ko boss na ko hwe. Me ya wo me am be beto honga ni etu go ru obo ase ope tawa emu ye tan ne mu ye fi na edan ni su nyina ye ko e obo ase emu ateche enye mo wa klase obo bi obo ase fe wa ateche mu
Sammy de me ye tete mi amanchim
anu nu obibia wo ya ho tu de so de ho de odi mo pa
menim ne e so pa
ni nyina because enkofo a omo elidi Ghana anyhow omo bargaining in the interest of Ghana all the time omo dwen omo ho say otsna sidin na show no abo Kennedy Agyapong na really usu be follow na you cannot hit him no you cannot hit him because say enema o sorry na hu o Ghana ye kuromu ya kwanso ene ne o me ekoso ya say mo re ene me no ka say President John Dramani Mahama ejo de etwa mi ene 1 week and so you refer Ghana.
Yeah.
Kofa alajo ho ne hwe. We can deny nam that area.
Hey, one so chini o.
Oh, me ko hwe nko obi ho na ko fa.
Ko hwe dom.
Na me sanku. O ko hwa efia ya esuo ne twe ba ya be fi gata num ene de akofo ye nya. Who said that? Bu gata.
Edagu ho.
Nyame pe ana ase bi en say.
Esuo ne san.
From that day no. Metro for a prediction nyame ane kwase ase. Asidan ke na me say prediction nyame ane kwase ase. San komanso sa to bi mu say because people say so ne to Jordan. Metro for be ka say kese ne pa ba Thursday ni Friday.
Yeah, out to Sunday.
Ama nkofo ampie. Say ka san so ne to ya enke san atwe mfini nyina san ko guga. Afede President Mahama say we declare ifiada ebe ene me da say e clean up. It is only in this country and a treaty emergency with that kind of attitude. A nipa over 30 ewu.
It is sika na ni local government minister no.
Assemblies
no. Eno na kwaye adwuma. Ah me mesi wo say
yes.
Yes. See sanya man ma ye nye.
Bisa wo say
man no. But sanya man
assemblies ni ko mo kwa clean up misanku. Omo ni equipment to even clear debris na so na kofa bebu ono. The assemblies don't have the equipment. Omuni what you say? Enti sa attitude na ye dibu man no. Hwe ye misanku ensu ato. Within 24 hours you have lost more than 30 of your citizens.
Yeah.
Na say bibi sa ohona se be ya. Must you sit down and give yourself 2 weeks as I say and go class animal?
Na 2 weeks ni nso eba.
So mama yen enya your politics no ha ne mfa the Ghanaian interest first. Onabu can start a car on Don River ho asem.
Enya ne
na nkwara susa. Say yen dredge ade yen team enko below sea level. Ye the boat beto so ye be restaurant kofu ba bedidi. This is the people with the myopic thinking who ni say eye kasa.
We ya no mo sisika na ebenya we.
Oh. Honorable Ken kasa me say campaign wa honorable Ken uti kasa ya do bit also kasa ya mframa. Na me show mo. You see because they don't see what the man is seeing.
Yeah.
And the people are young first pa no ye buo mo. First pa na me NPP adwuma no. Na nkofo bo na me buo mo. Me hu omo a e o program asia me force akwa omo. Se me no mo kodi nkoba na nka ma tap bibi afimu. At that point, you know, said the Bible can near young quarant near dreams and quara. Yen said all those heads were empty heads. Him, Kong qua, Uncle who they did. It is Uncle Falling, you know, they were overrated. You don't see what Honorable Ken is in a near me, and what Honorable Ken can help for all of us to build our country. Say anya sa na say all the time ye yi ye ni ye hu say be usual politics na misenku ye bedi ye dokum kwa every day me da the bompaye me sorry a Honorable Kennedy Agyapong has been part of my prayer topics. And I know one day empire bo me boma Honorable Kennedy Agyapong empire bo me boma no one day Nyankopon in one way or the other will answer. Neba enya me nko ana me hu empire no hu nsunsan so. It will even go beyond Ghana for people to know say o man Ghana na ewo ho sana ye wo politicians Ghana no adom akoma so a omo wo hu adwen papa.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.